Oh, what a day I've had. Oh, what a day I've had. Oh, I had a date yesterday, and how funny that was. Do you know what he did? Do you know what he did? He walked me all down the high street. He walked me down the high street. He sat me on the bench. He sat me on the bench by the riverside, and it was a nice sunny day, a nice sunny day, a nice sunny day, and I just wanted a cup of tea. I just wanted a cup of tea. I didn't want an octopus mauling me, mauling me. I just wanted a drink and a chat, and a laugh and a walk and a chat and a talk. I didn't want an octopus all over me. I didn't want an octopus all over me. I preferred a biscuit and a cup of tea, and I'd have paid for it, I'd have paid for it. 'Cause this man, he had no money, and he thought it was funny. He thought it was funny to take me into Ann Summers. Ann Summers in the high street, in the centre, in the centre. So I walk inside Ann Summers, and this man, he ain't got no money, but I don't know that yet. I don't know that yet. He gets two ladies to bring over two bras, and there's an offer, 2 for 30 quid. 2 for 30 quid. And my jugs are large, my jugs are large, they're enormous and they're quite big. And he says, go in the changing room, love. Go in the changing room, love, and try 'em on. And oh my God, there's a full-length mirror in the changing room. I nearly screamed, ah! What's that in the mirror? Is that really me? Is it really me? Those enormous tits are staring at me, and oh my God, I want to crack him over the ears. I want to bloody go home, but I try on this bra that's far too small for me. It's too small for me, and I want to cry and I want to go home. There's this big fat pair of tits staring at me in the mirror. Oh my God, oh my God. And guess what? He wants to come in the room. He wants to come in the room, and the ladies say men aren't allowed, men aren't allowed. Thank God for that. Go home, just go away. You're embarrassing me. So he ain't got no money to buy me a bra. He said he'd bring a condom and he'd buy me some clothes, and he's got no money, and he's just a waster, and he's wasting my time, and he's making me so cross, 'cause I'm staring at these huge jugs in the mirror, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So I get fitted, and I find out that my jugs are more enormous than I thought they were. They're fucking enormous. They're 36J. Oh no, no wonder I've had backache for 10 years. Bye. See you later. Send me a man that cares, please.